So, good day everyone. So, before I start, I will introduce myself. I am Remar Rosales Goles. I'm student from ASCAP. Um, so, today I will discuss my system I chose from my previous project. So, I chose the Doctor dashboard. So, I create a Java file of it and I discuss what I do for this. So this is my Doctor dashboard. So this is the result and this is the code. So first I would like to I explain the result first. So this is the result. So at the top, the doctor dashboard, then the navigation dashboard and records, schedule and logout. So this is not a functionable navigation. This is just a simple page, like no navigation, like you can go to other page like that. So here is the pitching of the patient, pitching the patient name, and also the doctor can edit the patient, can view, then can delete the patient. So this is a simple page only. So next I explain the code. So here I import the java.awt. So this is my frame. So class, I name it Doctor Dashboard, then extend frame. So public dashboard. So this is my frame. So if I open, the width is 900 and height is 500. So like this, the width is 900 and the height is 500. So here I set a layout for the border, then the background is white. So as you can see, the background here is white. Then the panel header, so panel header, then I colored it this blue. Then here is the title label, the Doctor Dashboard. As you can see here at the top, the Doctor Dashboard. So the font style is Arial, then nakabo, and it's bold, and the size is 16, and it's center as you can see here at the center. So the background is white, then the header. At the navigation, so navigation is right here. Then this is the background color. So as you can see, gray. It's a gray, like black. Not sure. It's gray. So the navigation item, so dashboard, record, schedule, then logout. So you can see here the dashboard, record, then schedule and logout. That is not functionable right now because this is a simple only, like example. So here string item, then nav item. So here is the design button. So I set the background here. So I use RGB. So color white. As you can see, the color of the text is white. Then next is the panel table. So this is the panel table I create for the patient. So I use grid layout for the table. So I use 4 columns. As you can see here, there are 4 columns for the patient name, view, edit, then delete. Then here the column. So you can see patient name, naka-center, view, it in center, edit, center, then delete, center, here like this at the center. So patient data. So this is the patient data. So like if have a database like preaching like that. So this is the name. So the name is here Ray Margoles, MJ Smith, Robert Rosales. Like then this is the design for the patient, and the view here, design of the view, then the edit button, the edit this view, then the edit the button delete, just like here, but not functionable because it is just a simple page and a scrollable. Then this is the header for the frame. Then that's all. So I hope you understand what I explained, and I thank you.